Good morning, friend. Today I will explain you about how to create these things using the ReactJS. How to create? Okay, this is called like headers, and this is called this is one image, and this is one image. This is one image. I'm just explaining you about like how to create these things using the ReactJS. Later I will use Spring Boot. Okay, so let's start. So see here, I have created one project which is called practice project. In this I have created one folders. In this I have stored for PNG format images, and here I have written some codes using the ReactJS. So this is the ReactJS codes. This is all the ReactJS code. Okay, so here I have written a ReactJS code to how to access these images, like import key concept image. I have given different name here. Okay, so like for like identify easily, so that here I have modified the images names also. Okay, so how you will access these things into the ReactJS, how you will use these images to the ReactJS. So here I have used the import keywords, import like key concept image and component image and state image and event image. Okay, from the, and I have like this is the location of the image. This is the location of image storage file. This is the location of image. So here I can access I have accessed this image like /assets. This is the folder names, and /key concept.png. Okay, so event like /assets, then component image. This is the component image I access here. Okay, and state image also same thing, single quote inside the single quote /asset and /state png, and event image also is there. So this is the like our input names. This is our attribute names. From the I can access this image from asset folders. Okay, so here I have whatever I have created one array. This is the constants array. Okay, so this is the ReactJS array. It will start from 0 1 2. Okay, so here I have used some attributes like title, image and descriptions. This is the image title, and this is the image image like input image names, and this is the description of the image. Okay, this is also same things. And here I have used semicolons, because like array ending lines here. Okay, so this is the array. This is the ReactJS array. This is called the ReactJS array. And after that I have created one function inside the functions. So every ReactJS functions will return some things. Okay, so here we needed to write the return statement. In the return statement I have used div sections. Inside the div I have used header section. This is the headers. Okay, so that's the stack master of Spring Boot and applications, Spring Boot and ReactJS. Okay, so I have some given here some paragraphs here inside the headers. So this is the headers of this is the headers. Okay, this is the headers. And after that here, see in this index.js, this is the headers. Okay, this is the headers, and I have written I have designed the header part using the CSS part. This is the pending, display, flex directions, justify content, and align items, and margin buttons, and test align is called centers. Okay, so this is the all the attributes of CSS. Okay, that you know about these things also. Okay, so here see here, suppose I access one more image, like how it says list. Inside the list and list class names. So list class names. Okay, so class names is equal to like single quote concept cpt. Okay, concept. Okay, inside the concept image. Okay, image src is equal to. So how you will access the properties, how you will access the properties of ReactJS, and means through the open bracket and square bracket. Okay, alt is equal to, I explain this image like what is the image? Suppose I access state image. Okay, here state image. Okay, state and image. Okay, and alt is this is I've written here, this is state image. Okay, so this is also close this image tag. After that, head to, in this head to, this is this image, as you see, access from the asset folder, assets folders. Okay, and after that I given some paragraphs here, like using ReactJS. Okay, so I have given some paragraphs here. Okay, so this is like CSS, like class names. So this is the CSS file which I have written in the index.css. Okay, so just close single inverted commas and save these things. Okay, so see, I saved already. I've saved the folders, and let's go for run the programs. Okay, and just go to here, and terminal, click terminal and new terminals, and after that you need to write the ReactJS running commands. What is the run commands? Like npm start. Okay, so you will wait some seconds, it will start automatically. Okay, whatever you set your default browser in your systems. So this is the syntax is equal to this is the syntax for run the ReactJS project. So npm start is the run the project. See, it will run. So you needed to wait sometimes. See, this image is coming here. See, okay. So this is the images. Okay. So thank you.